Hello guys, today I am going to share one of the tasks I have been given, which I have already done. I have already achieved that. So I'll tell you without taking much time. Exactly, I'll show you the output first, that what exactly I did. See, this is a website, WordPress website, a simple website, and I have been asked to when someone scrolls down, the logo should be changed. Instead of this flutter, the logo should be, sometime it happens the client asks for such requirement, right? So if we scroll this down, see, even the background color also changes, right, from white to black, right? Logo changes. So I'll tell you step by step. I have just mentioned all these things already there, and I'll tell you how you can change logo while scrolling in WordPress Elementor. First, what you need to do, create a header section. So header section, you might have already done that, but if in case you don't know how to do that, I'll show it to you. And for that, I'll tell you, I'm using the pro version, not exactly the pro version, pro element. I have already given the name of and URL of this thing. It's a free plugin actually, so you can use it. It's very simple. And to create a header, you can simply just open your dashboard and then just go to template, hover over it, and click on theme builder, right? I've already done that. So in case you do not have this right now, you need to click on add new, and in my case I'll just click on edit, and I'll simply go to there, right? So this is my header, right? This is the main section. Inside this main section, I have created two sections, subsections, right? Container actually. So this is the HTML one, and this is the menu, WordPress menu. Simply I'm using this specific menu, but it's, you can just achieve by this flex box. It's very easy. You can select this one, right, or the number of container you want to do that. So okay, so let's come to the point. We need to go here. I'm just removing this so that you won't be confused. And I have just given two sections here. I have, what I did actually, I'll just show it to you. This is important, right? Here you need to type HTML and you can insert it here, right? Simply that way. I have just the same thing, right? So exactly these things I have already mentioned, right? Create two subsections, which we have already done. The path I have also given there. And in the first section, insert the HTML code. This is the code. Please make sure that replace this path, because your path is going to be changed, right? This is my local path. Replace, I have just given the comment here as well. Replace your own images path. And it's also very easy that you can just how you can I assume that you already know, but still I'll show you. You can click on simply any image, and you can click on this, and you can replace the path, this path, right? So I have already done that. So then we will come to the next point, replace the HTML, which we have already done. Make sure replace the existing logo, and we have done till here. And now the CSS code, all you can just copy the entire CSS code. I have already, and I'll share it in a comment also. But I'll tell you one more thing which is very important here. What you need to do, I have mentioned this thing. When you create the subsection, the point number 2, also make your header sticky. So you can do it through JS or CSS also, but I'll tell you that it's very easy. You can do it here also, header 1. If you go to motion effect, you will find this option. The first option, sticky, right? It's none, then it's not going to work. So top, at the top we will put it here, right? So this is also important, right? Now we need to go to the next step. CSS, we have already done that. I'll just paste the same CSS there, and after that CSS, the last point is that JS code. It's very small JS code. It's built-in function, Windows built-in function under JSS. It's simply assigning. I'm not going to discuss the code, though. It's simply assigning a variable header. Our class is header1, so right, it's if condition and else condition. So you just need to copy it, and I'll tell you, this is important here, where exactly you need to do. I have one plugin, I'll show it to you. Name of the plugin is Really Simple Custom JS. I'll just mention this thing in the comment box. This I have already mentioned it, right? This is the plugin, right? It's a free plugin. You can use other also. There are so many plugins in the WordPress repository in the market, right? So many plugins are there. So I use this one. So you can just it will, once you install it, it will show this thing. You can add CSS, JS, HTML code. I'll just go to this one because I have already done, just to save the time. And the same thing I have pasted it here, right? And this is simply going that if Windows scroll to 50 pixels, it's indicating pixels actually. And you will find a different option here, publish. I have already done that, so I'm just getting updated, right? And that's it. This is going to work. I'll show it to you. That's it, right? So thank you so much for watching, and if you like, please subscribe and like the video, and if you have any question related to it, you can just comment it here. We will try to reply, answer it if you have any kind of query about this, right? Thank you so much, guys.